Today, people use the internet to advertise and sell products in various forms, communicate with their customers and retailers, and perform financial transactions. Due to this, hackers and cybercriminals use the internet as a tool to spread malware and carry out cyber attacks. In the 1950s, the word cyber used to refer to cybernetics, the science of understanding the control and movement of machines and animals. This was followed by cyber, standing for computerized. The 1990s brought around a new cyber-related term. The word cyberspace emerged to define an invented physical space that some people wanted to believe existed behind the electronic activities of computing devices. Today, the term is almost exclusively used to describe information security matters. Gone are the days when passwords were enough to protect the system and its data. We all want to protect our personal data and professional data, and thus cybersecurity is what you should know to ensure data protection. Cybersecurity aims to protect the computers, networks, and software programs from such cyber attacks. Most of these digital attacks are aimed at accessing, altering, or deleting sensitive information, extorting money from victims, or interrupting normal business operations. In a computing context, security comprises cybersecurity and physical security. Both are used by enterprises to protect against unauthorized access to data centers and other computerized systems. Information security, which is designed to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data, is a subset of cybersecurity. A cyber attack is an attack that is mounted against you and me, meaning our digital devices, by means of cyberspace. Cyberspace, a virtual space that doesn't exist, has become the metaphor to help us understand digital weaponry that intends to harm you, me, and all of us. What is real, however, is the intent of the attacker, as well as the potential impact. While many cyber attacks are merely nuisances, some are quite serious, even potentially threatening human lives. The cyber attacks are general terminology which covers a large number of topics, but some of them are unauthorized access to the targeted system and accessing sensitive information, tampering systems and data stored within, exploitation of resources, disrupting normal functioning of the business and its processes, using ransomware attacks to encrypt data and extort money from victims. Cyber attacks can cause electrical blackouts, failure of military equipment, and breaches of national security secrets. They can result in the theft of valuable, sensitive data like medical records. They can disrupt phone and computer networks or paralyze systems, making data unavailable. It's not an exaggeration to say that cyber threats may affect the functioning of life as we know it.